Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing this easy makeup look. So it's going to be like natural makeup look. So now I'm going to moisturize my lips. The first thing is that I just always do it. And then I'm going to use moisturizer by Nivea. And I'm going to be using this sunscreen. This is actually body lotion, but then I use it as a sunscreen on my face. And yeah, after that I'm just going to be taking this red Blue Heaven lipstick. I just always do this. This is like a color correction. I put it on my dark tan areas to do the red cancels out black, so I just do that. And now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Toffee Caramel Foundation. This shade is 330. So I just like put it all over my face, the foundation. And then I also use it as a concealer all around my eyes. So I just don't normally use concealer, I just use foundation as concealer. And then I'm going to be taking this powder from Maybelline, and I'm going to just use any random brush to powder my face. So I just powder it the entire face. Sometimes I also go to the neck. And I'm going to be using this loose powder by Lakme, and I'm gonna just like put this set my under eye foundation with this powder so that I don't get any creases. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush, and then I'm gonna using the neutral eyeshadow for my eyes. I'm gonna be just like doing brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use only one shade to my entire eyelids. And after that I'm going to be using this eyeliner by Blue Heaven and Neon. So the first eyeliner I'm going to be using is like Blue Heaven eyeliner. So I'm gonna wing it very nice. I don't like the Neon eyeliner brush, so I use like Blue Heaven to put it on. So I'm just gonna be using this Blue Heaven eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my eyes like so. After eyelining, I'm just gonna go with the Neon eyeliner over it to have that waterproof effect. Now I'm gonna use Neon lower lash line kajal. This is really good. The quality is amazing, and it's very cheap. It's only for 170 or 180 rupees, and it's really nice. So if you want, you can buy it from Karol Bagh. And then I'm gonna be using this mascara. This is by the brand Blue Heaven, and I'm gonna just use it all over my eyelashes. I always forget to curl my eyelashes before I just put on mascara, but anyway, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, I do my eyebrows after I'm done with eyeliner and stuff. So now I'm gonna be using Miss Claire blush. So I'm gonna use my blush brush. I think it's by the brand Vega, and this is the blush. I'm done with the blush. I don't use too much blush. And I'm gonna be using lipstick. This lipstick is by the brand Nika, and the shade is Hot Cocoa. And I'm gonna be using another lipstick to mix it. I'm just gonna use this one, L18 Rust Rage. So I mix these two lipsticks to get this shade, and I am done with the makeup. This is very simple, very natural. I do it like most of the time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye everyone.